In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the WiCA rubric to your assignment. So first you have to go in and create an assignment. I'll put my instructions. All right, and I'm going to make this the 50-point WiCA. I could do 100 or I could do 50. Now you'll notice when I build the assignment, there's no actual place for me to add the rubric here. So what I have to do is I have to save the assignment first. And then when I get to the save page, you'll see this plus rubric button in the bottom left-hand corner. If I click that, it'll allow me to build a rubric directly in the assignment, but I don't want to do that because the rubric already exists. So I'm going to find the rubric by going to my department. And here I'll see a listing of all the rubrics available in that Canvas page. I want to select the 50-point WiCA rubric. And once I'm done, I'll choose Use this rubric. Now you'll see it imports the rubric with the categories already in place and the scoring range is already set for you. There's nothing to modify. You're ready to start scoring your WiCAs.